Hi, creator. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel, the channel that brings you the creativity of the world graphic.
If you are new here, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be the first person to always get updates from this channel. Thank.
In today's video, we are going to be learning how to design this.
Welcome guys, welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. Trust you are doing great. In this video we are going to be learning how to design a simple clothing flyer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to the business of today. So the very first thing I have to do right now is to go to my color background. Then I'm going to change the color to this stuff. Actually this one. So this is the color. So this is the background I'm using for it. So let's check on the color code. So the color code for this first one up is 7B0B23. 7B0B23. Then the color code for the down one. Okay, the down one is 7B. Then the first one is the up is that is the blue. 3B20AD. 3B20AD. So let's get on what we for today. So after that, the next thing you have to do right now is to bring out your text. Then you write the what they call it, the name of the what. Let's assume I'm going to write Frosky. Yeah. So that is the name of the let's assume the name of this store. What they call it. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. So I'm going to correct the mistake. I'm going to write the Frosky. Frosky. Right now. Okay. Embellishment. Embellishing. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Cool. So after that, I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on the A. Then I'm going to go to texture. So I'm giving it the texture of another thing. So I think it should be in my download. So let's look for the texture right now. It should be somewhere around there. Cool. So this is the texture. I'm going to click on my OK. So can you see? So after that, I'm going to click on this text again. So I'm going to use a touch of beauty or a touch with beauty. A touch of beauty. Good. So here in the capital letter. Then I'm going to font again. Then I'm going to change to something Montestera semi-bold. Good. So after that, I'm going to reduce it very well. Reduce it. I'm going to put it here. Good. So now actually moving forward. So after that, the next I'm going to do right now is to click on my text again. Then I'm going to click on services. Equal like this. same thing, move it to the next thing I'm going to do right now. So click on my plus button, click from gallery. So I'm going to search for phone. Good. So I'm using this one. So after that, I'm going to change it to black color. Go to color. Sorry, change it to white color, not black. White color. So you can use it very well. So after you use it, you can zoom your work right now. You can zoom your work. Zoom it like this. Good. So after you zoom in, next thing I'm going to do now is to click on layer. So I'm just copy all this cloth yeah, good. Right that way, I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to write the number. So let's assume is the number. So I'm going to change the color to white color now. Good. So we can decrease a little bit the intensity. So let's zoom back and see what we just did. If this okay, so actually it is okay. So what the next thing I'm going to do? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my plus button again. Then I'm going to click on location. Actually look like this. So come now put it here. Good. So let's check on it if you are going forward. Good. So can you see you actually move forward? Good. So what the next thing I'm going to do right now? The next thing I'm going to do right now is they are now white balance. So I'm going to do it to be white balance and move it up a little bit. So this one should go up a little bit. Up a little bit. This one too should go up a little bit. So good. So let's check on it now. So this one needs to be web position very well. Good. So can you see? So the next I'm going to do is to click on the shape. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Good. So after bringing down a little bit, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to here. Then